Lots of callers tonight, so let's go ahead and head right back to those phone lines. Tammy up in Anniston, we appreciate your patience and hanging with us tonight. Go right ahead with your question for the judge, if you will.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My question is, I have full custody of my grandson. I went through DHR and got the custody because his parents were on drugs, but they refused to pay child support. They said they will not work. If they have to pay child support, they just won't work. The mother has agreed to sign an adoption form to give so I can adopt him, but the father says no, but they're nowhere to be found now. How can I get financial assistance with him?
And you're asking that because you're not getting child support from the parents. Is that correct, Tammy?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Judge, can you address that at all?
It is difficult when the parents refuse to pay child support, when they've been ordered by the court already to pay child support and they refuse to do so. There are things that you can do. You can file with the court indicating the same, and the court has the ability to put those parents in jail if it's necessary. What we try to do is to give the parents an opportunity to go through a program where they can get a good job and all of that and begin to pay child support. But where we have those who are extremely resistant to what the court has to offer, sometimes jail is what we have to do.
So Judge, for someone like this caller, she clearly is struggling to make ends meet, but she's got a problem. Is this something to where an attorney could be appointed to her to help her, or would she need to call a private attorney to help?
She would normally have to go, she would have to call a private attorney for this particular case. What it sounds like is the case has been closed, the dependency case has been closed, and she would have to file for a modification. That's what it sounds like, you know, or if she's, it's actually two different things. One is the dependency case, and she was asking about that, but that's closed. And then we have the child support case, which is separate and apart from that.
Right.
Now, DHR oftentimes will help someone in her circumstance with a child support case.
Okay.
And so the DHR attorneys will kind of sort of bring it on her behalf if she goes to DHR for that purpose.
Okay.
So she could do that.
She could make a call to DHR and maybe get a little
Start
guidance.
there.
Yeah,
Start.
absolutely.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Wonderful. Tammy, thank you so much for calling in tonight.